How to fix system restore error 0x80071ac5 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. These are two powerful built-in tools in Windows, designed to help repair system files that might be damaged or corrupted. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. The error can also be a result of disk errors. The chkdsk utility can help in identifying and fixing such errors. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. The Volume Shadow Copy Service, VSS, is a Windows service that enables manual or automatic backups or snapshots of computer files and volumes. It's an essential service for system restore to function correctly. If VSS is not running, system restore may fail with an error.